In this video, I'll show you how to create playbooks in HubSpot so your team can follow consistent processes, capture notes, and improve customer interactions. Playbooks are useful for guiding conversations like sales calls, onboarding, or support workflows. To begin, sign into your HubSpot account and use the search bar at the top to find playbooks. Then open the Playbooks tool where all your existing playbooks are listed. Next, click Create Playbook at the top right and choose whether to start from scratch or use a template depending on your needs. Starting from scratch gives full control, while templates can save time for common use cases. After that, begin adding steps and notes. Steps define the actions or questions your team should follow, while notes provide helpful context or guidance. Keep each step clear and focused so it's easy to follow during real conversations. Once your playbook is complete, click Publish to make it available to your team. You can always edit and update it later as your process improves. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.